Okay, it's me, Patrick, Gangster Monkey, as we're gonna call it for now, because I can't think of anything to do with his name. Okay, so I've been chasing my brother and sister around for like the past hour and a half, screaming at them in German words. It's pretty funny, but they're chilling right now in their room playing, because Mom got kind of irritated with us running around and whatnot around the house, me screaming profanity in German. Pretty funny. I just used the word profanity. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna chase them with a camera. They're gonna see the camera, obviously, but little Mark, oh my God, he saw me with this, his ass started running. He was scared, like legit. He started crying. It was pretty funny. Alright, so here's how it's gonna go down. Alright, let's go get him. Here we go. I'm gonna get you! Get over here!
I don't feel good.
You don't feel good? Why don't you feel good?
Because my legs hurt.
Am I scaring you? Huh? Am I scaring you?
Patrick, look.
I'm gonna go get her now, okay? Here we go.
Help! Help! Help!
Let me take my socks off. Here, hold this.
Watch out. Uh-huh. You can't have a minute out here, you know. Patrick's still running around with a mask. Miss Sherry said take the mask off, silly.
Gangster Monkey, take 2. Peace.
He's just playing there, silly.